According to a recent Google search, the average used vehicle financing rate is currently around 11.87% APR. Offers that have a lower interest rate have a very limited term, making payments high. If you want an extended term to lower the payments, the interest rate can be even higher, and the payments still not much lower. You can't win. Or can you? The Sunset Auto family, in cooperation with Sound Credit Union, is offering what may well be the best used vehicle financing program anywhere. Are you ready? 4.99% financing for 72 months and no payment for 90 days on all qualifying vehicles 2015 and newer. Lock in an interest rate that's about half of what people are paying everywhere else. Get top dollar for your trade and warranty protection for life with every single qualifying vehicle. You can win at any Sunset Auto family location. Sunset Chevrolet in Tiny Overhead Sumner, Sunset Ford right off Highway 410 just down the hill from Bonnie Lake, or Sunset Kia of Auburn on Auburn Way North in Auburn. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.